Are you struggling to read a massive CSV file with 29 million rows? It can feel overwhelming, but don't worry. Today, we're going to tackle this challenge together and find a solution that works. I completely understand your frustration. Dealing with large datasets can lead to out-of-memory exceptions, and it can feel like you're hitting a brick wall. You're definitely not alone in this. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user reached out saying they have a .tab file with 29 million rows and a size of around 600 megabytes. They tried using CSV helper and generic parser but kept running into memory issues. Sound familiar? Let's explore how we can solve this. So, what's happening here? When working with such large files, traditional methods can lead to memory overload. We need to adopt a more efficient approach to handle this data without crashing our system. And stick around. I have a powerful technique at the end that will help you read large files without running into memory issues. To efficiently read a huge CSV file with 29 million rows, the user should utilize a streaming approach. This prevents loading the entire file into memory at once, which can lead to an out-of-memory exception. The user can start by using the StreamReader class to read the file line by line. This allows processing each row individually without consuming too much memory. Next, the user should parse each line into the desired object type. This can be done using a simple split method to handle the tab-separated values. Finally, the user can add each parsed object to a collection, such as a list. This way, they can accumulate the results without overwhelming memory resources. Fun fact, did you know that the first CSV files were created in the 1970s? They were a simple way to store data, but now they can be a real challenge when they get this big. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves running your application in x64 mode. They also suggest adding a specific setting in your app config file to enable support for large objects. Here's the technique I promised. Always process your data in chunks. This not only prevents memory issues, but also speeds up your processing time significantly. And there you have it. By using a streaming approach and processing data in chunks, you can handle even the largest CSV files without a hitch. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.